Of course, it's got a window seal on it. What they did in the old days is they actually staple these in. So the easiest way to do it is just touch them with a grinder and just take them off. This piece will come right off. The new piece actually gets, you have to drill it out and screw it in. So we're going to strip this off and we'll assemble the upper piece for it. Most efficient way to dig it off. So we're going to grab the new piece. I'll show you how that goes on. So this is actually the new piece. It is cut at an angle one side and square on the back. So you got to make sure you put it back on there right. You can see the marks from the old piece. So you know that's where we got to get it at. And as you saw, we've grown the staples out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drill this. This is actually metal on the top piece. And use some number 10 screws and put it back in. It actually came with the kit, the screws. I'm going to grab a better screwdriver here. Pre-drilled that piece. Number 10 screw that comes with the kit. A hole, try to make it flat and flush, or for appearance on anything. Pretty hard to see once the glass is up. You definitely got to get a different screwdriver. Definitely better screwdriver. Snug them up. Trying to keep this nice and tight down there because it is metal, so it is bendable. I'm going to keep it as snug and as tight as you can. Do one at a time and work your way down. Don't jump and drill a bunch of holes because it'll all be off. Everything on cars is time consuming. You just got to enjoy doing the work and take your time, do it and do it right. The finished product is always worth it. I don't know if you tuned in for other episodes or not, but father-son project we started 4 years ago, and it's been a project. This 74 Charger is hard to find parts for. Everything on it's special, and we've met some great people building it. There's a lot of forums out there and guys are willing to help you and teach you. This car turns out to be pretty rare. I gotta grab a few more screws here. This car was stored for 25 years in an old barn. So we bought it home, we basically hauled it home in 4 or 5 truckloads. So everything's new and exciting about it, because every day we learn. And evidently the gentleman that had it before us had other cars, because we got lots of leftover parts and none of them match anything on this car. So in the beginning it was kind of a worry that we had to waste so many parts and we had no place to put them. Well, little by little we found out that there's not 25 springs on a car, and this one's probably got 35 in boxes. So evidently the guy just kept picking up parts where he could and put them in boxes. When we bought it, he gave us all the boxes, and a lot of parts aren't even for this car. It's been a huge learning experience. New window seal installed. '24 Charger. Same as the front. They are steel in the front, so they are stapled in there again. So again, just like we did on front panels, we have to grind these off, drill them, put the new window seal on. So that's the next step for us. Up good. Well, you might as well clean it up good. It's 40 years of dust in there. Believe it or not, we've wiped and cleaned these panels so many times, but there we go. Again, we can see the old marks where they were. So we're going to butt them right up to that.
Same as the front two doors, shiver panels. Drill them. Slow them. One at a time. Nice and tight there. Then we got the seals from the edges. 3 little holes in the middle. None of the power parts. So at least you got guiding away. That kind of lens, you want to put screws in. Now here, all these little holes. It's not tight. That's the cut. One. Seven. Nice and tight there. One, 3 little holes. Finally, we got the seals from actually. 3 little holes in the middle. Not the power parts. So at least you got guiding away. That can have a lot easier than the frustration stuff always. Now here, all these little holes. It's all tight. Very good. What you doing? Yeah, we have to.
Nice, snug, tight, good seal all the way down. Good looking finish.